Welcome students, welcome to the English Club where search comes to an end. Previous topic we had learnt about the prepositions. Today we will be dealing with the interjection. The interjection. It is a word which expresses some sudden feeling or emotion. In simple term, if you want to keep it in mind that sudden feeling, whenever any word, any kind of sentence, if it comes out suddenly in your mind after seeing any kind of object or after seeing any kind of person, it is a feeling. This sudden feeling is considered as an interjection. These are in different forms of words such as hello, alas, hurrah, ah, oh, hush, wow, oops. These are a few basic interjections which we are always using. Now and then we people are using such kind of words in our sentences. If although we are not habitual of all this means this particular English language, but still whenever we are with friends, these kinds of words are always used by us. Now a few examples we will see here. Hello, what is going on here? Hello is it should be considered here as an interjection. Alas, it was a bad accident. It's a bad news. Alas is used for a pain, for a very bad situation. Oh, I got an injury. Hurrah, we won the match. It is a joy. Now, for clear clarification, we do have this segregation. Interjection of greeting. Greeting or greetings, what we can say. Hello, hey, hi. Interjection of joy. Whenever we are very happy, we are always shouting hurrah or hooray, wow. Interjection for approval. If we are just giving someone approval, wow, fantastic thing is done, bravo, well played, brilliant, nice idea, well done, you've done a fantastic job. These kind of things are used, these kind of interjections are used in our sentences or in our particular daily life. Interjection of attention. Listen. Perfectly means accurately. If you want to listen to me very carefully, students. Such kind of words are always used by teachers. Or mother always will listen to me first. Let me speak. Let me finish my sentence. Then you can talk. Such kind of words are always used by parents also. Interjection for surprise. Ha! I'm surprised. Hey! How did you come here? What? An action if had already been taken place. Oh, it's a surprise. Ah, eh. Such kind of things. Interjection for sorrow. Ah, I got hurt. How bad it was. Alas, she's no more. Alas, what a bad accident. So these are the important interjections which we are using now and then in our languages. Every time we are using such kind of things, just because these are the sudden feelings or these are the particular words which come whenever suddenly any action takes place in front of us. Hope you understood the important interjections over here. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. If you have any doubts, kindly put a comment in the comment box, or you can ask me directly. You can have any discussion with me if you have any kind of doubts, if you want to discuss any one of the aspects what you feel very difficult. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Once again, thank you very much.